Is your computer running hotter than a summer day? Let's make sure your CPU isn't about to melt down. In this video, I'll show you several simple methods to check your CPU temperature in Windows 11. First up is the Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab if you don't see the tabs. Click More Details at the bottom. Now, select CPU on the left-hand side. Unfortunately, Task Manager doesn't directly show the temperature, but monitoring the CPU usage percentage can give you a clue if something is amiss. High and constant usage without running intensive programs may indicate a problem. Next, let's try the command prompt. While this method doesn't directly display the temperature either, it can provide sensor information if your motherboard supports it. Open command prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click and select Run as administrator. Now, type wimic, namespace root, WIPath _thermals on a template. Get current temperature. Press Enter. This will display a number, which represents the CPU temperature in Kelvin tenths. To convert it to Celsius, subtract 27,315 and divide by 10. If nothing returns, your system might not support this function. If those methods don't give you the info you need, it's time for third-party software. Programs like HomeMonitor, CoreTemp, and CPU-Z are free and specifically designed to monitor your CPU temperature in real time. Simply download and install one. After installation, open the program. It will display detailed information about your CPU, including the current temperature, minimum temperature, and maximum temperature. This is the most accurate and reliable way to keep an eye on things. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to check your CPU temperature in Windows 11. Keep your CPU cool and happy computing.